What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw a Donald Duck. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two large ovals for the eyes. Now we're going to start with the one on the left. Let's start from the very top. I'm going to start with the outside coming all the way down towards the bottom and pull that back up towards the top. Now we're going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size oval on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top and we want to bring that down towards the same height and then back up towards the top. Let's push the pupils towards the inside bottom. So on the left side we draw a smaller oval going up, down, and then in, and then repeat that over on the right side. Let's add a small circle along the top of each pupil for highlights. And we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now in between the eyes, we're going to draw the top of the beak. I want to bend this up and then down. Let's move up to the side and curve the beak, coming in and then out on both sides. Round out the ends of the beak and pull that back in. Now we want to close off the bottom with a curve. Starting on the left, we're going to bend this up in the middle, come down and then out. And then in between the eyes and the bottom of the beak, we're going to add another curve. We're going to go up and then down. Let's go back and add a bracket along the corners of the mouth, going up and then down. And then we'll wrap the outside of the beak around that bracket. Starting from the eye, go around, and then in. And I'm just going to pull that down towards the side of the beak. Now I want to follow these curves along the bottom, coming in and then down toward the bottom of the mouth. And we'll close out the bottom with a curve. Let's trace the bottom of the mouth along the inside. So we'll start with the sides, coming in and then down. And then round out the bottom. Let's go up to the top and draw two curves coming in and then down toward the center point. Now we're going to go back up and work our way along the side of the head. Let's start from the top of the beak, then it's up and then in towards the eye. Step back, curve around the eye, and then up. Now I'm going to add some fur along the side of the eyes. Let's start with the left, going out and down, taking that back in. It's that curl going around and up, and then back in. Do the same thing on the right. Start by bending this down, and we'll curl this up. Now we want to go back to the left side and curl the brow along the top. We'll go up, around the eye, and then bend that down. And you want to do the same thing on the right side. Let's add some fur along the center in between the brow. We'll start on the left side, bend this out and up, come down and in. Now we're going to go out and down, and pull that down on top of the right brow. From the top of the brow, let's draw two straight lines going up the side of the hat, and then we'll close out the top with a curve. Now halfway along this line on the right, we're going to bend the hat going out and go up. That's going to add a fold, going around and then down. Let's move back up, bend the hat going down and out towards the left, round out the hat, and just pull that in towards the side of the brow. Now I'm going to add that ribbon coming down on the left side. Let's start from the top, bend this out and then down. Let's add 2 points, going up and then down. I'm just going to follow that same curve going back up towards the hat. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a step-by-step illustration of Donald Duck. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. And if you want more of a challenge, you can check out our other channels in the description below. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.